Huwag tayong papayag na malito na ang pagkakaaresto kay Franco Babanta ay isang press freedom issue gaya ng sinasabi ng DDS Cartoon Network. Did they honestly believe that hiding behind the fake journalistic facade of the Peanut Gallery Media Network would grant them absolute immunity, including from the grave crime of extortion? Malinaw na ang ginawa ng NBI ay isang entrapment operation. In the eyes of the law, entrapment merely provides the opportunity to apprehend a suspect who already harbors criminal intent, something that appears to be what has been demonstrated the moment they asked for a 300 million pesos payout in exchange of not publishing supposed videos. A legitimate news organization's goal is to bravely inform the public, not to use blackmails as an enterprising way of extorting money from public officials. Besides, ang pag-amin nila na inipit ang umano'y video expose habang nakikipagnegosasyon ay lalo lamang nagpapatibay na may extortion na nangyari. True journalism relentlessly exposes the truth. Extortion merely weaponizes it for selfish monetization. It is also very suspicious how PGMN operates with substantial expenses despite having no clear advertisements or sponsors, strongly suggesting that something is questionable in the business model and source of funds. A real issue of press freedom was when Maria Ressa was slapped with lawsuits because she was publishing truths. A real issue of press freedom is when ABS-CBN's franchise was not renewed because it earned the ire of Duterte. Hindi issue ng press freedom ang paninikil ng milyon-milyon para di ilabas ang isang video di umano. One is protected by the Constitution. The other is a clear criminal act. Agyamanak, ako po si Atty. Dil de Leon at dapat patas sa batas.